Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a pretty good ClickBank method that you can use to drive some good sales to your ClickBank products, and you can use any products that you want off of ClickBank or Digistore 24 or whatever affiliate network that you want to use. Alright, so if you're interested in a ClickBank method that's pretty easy to do and has some pretty good built-in traffic for it too that could drive sales to your products, then you want to stick around and see this particular video here. We're getting ready to get started on it here right now. But first, before we do, for those of you that are new to my channel or to my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you have not yet subscribed, well, while we're talking about it and thinking about it, reach down there below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. Of course, first thing you want to do is you want to come to clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have an account at clickbank.com, it's easy enough to create one. Just go to clickbank.com and click on sign up, and you fill out their form. They will send you an email confirmation. Get that verified and validated. Come back over, get signed in, and then come over and you see right here where my mouse is, you want to click on Marketplace right here, and that brings you over here to the Marketplace page. Now, if you cannot access ClickBank because of the country that you're in, you can certainly use right here. You can come to Digistore24.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. And this, I'm on the marketplace right now, and you can see that they have the same products pretty much that you see over on ClickBank right here in their categories right here on the left here, guys. Anyways, you can use that. You can use Warrior Plus. You can use JVZoo. You can use, for this method, any affiliate products that you want to do here. In fact, the method I'm going to show you here today, the more you do, this is a volume game, guys. The more you post on this particular site, the more opportunity and chances you're going to have to make money with your products that you choose. Okay, and it can be in any niche that you want. Alright, so coming back to ClickBank, now I'm going to choose a product rather than, and what I did was I came here and I just simply clicked right here on the search box right here without typing anything in, and that brought me over here to the most popular products, and then I sorted them by gravity, as you can see right here, and it sorted up all the most popular products right here on ClickBank. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using the health and diet, health and fitness category, guys. You can do this in make money. You can do this in a relationship. You can do this in any niche or any sub-niche category that you want of products that you choose. So, for this example, I'm not going to choose a high-priced product here because I want to choose a lower-priced product rather than a higher price, because people will be more apt to click on a lower price product. And I decided on this one right here, guys. It's called the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program, and you can make about $28 per sale. But the nice thing about this is, if you look right here where my mouse is, guys, it's got recurring billing, and on recurring billing you have opportunity to make even more money because it has upsells. If you see right here, it has +3 upsells, including a $50 order bump right here, guys, so we can make more money on the back end of this product. So people will be more apt to pay for this $28 rather than $100 or $183 or a higher ticket product. Okay, so we're going to use the Smoothie Diet. Now, if we click on this link right here, it brings us over here to the sales page here, and as you can see, this is a really nice sales page. I mean, it's got a nice video here, and it's got some good information down through here, and it's a really good sales page here on this particular product. And also, with what we're going to be doing, we wanted to click on the affiliates link right here, guys. You see it right there, affiliates, SmoothieDiet.com affiliates. That brings us over here. And what I've done was, and I've sort of stepped ahead a little bit here in this video to try to hold the time down a little bit for you guys. And I'm going to be using these email swipes right here in our advertising. Okay, so I've already downloaded some of those, and I have one of those right here. as you can see, some of those right here, and we're going to be using this information in our ad that we're going to post. All right. So once you get your product, you either from Digistore 24 or wherever you're picking your product, we will come back in a little bit and we will get our affiliate link by simply clicking here. And then the same thing on Digistore, you're just going to get your affiliate link off the product that you chose, right? Then the site that we're going to market on, guys, is this one right here. You want to come over here to this site right here. As you can see, it's called Bookoo. I don't know, that might be Bookoo. I don't know how to pronounce that, but Bookoo sounds a little bit more right. You can see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Bookoo.com right up here in the address bar. This site is similar to a classified site, but it's a little bit different. They run it just a little bit different here than a classified, but it's pretty similar to that. You can see it's free to join this, and if I bring out my SimilarWeb right here, you can see it has a fair amount of traffic to it, guys. If we scroll up here, you can see that it gets monthly visits right now of about 235,000 people per month come here. And if we scroll a little higher here, you can see that the United States is 64% of the traffic coming to this site is from the United States. And then you see Germany, Japan, and some of the other top tier countries there, guys. And so it's got a fair amount of traffic coming to it for your offers. Okay, now what we want to do is, the nice thing about this site here is you can see that they've got all kinds of countries here. And guys, like I said, this is free to do, and yeah, you can do this from anywhere in the world for free. All right, so they have lots of countries here that you can pick on. You can pick on the cities in these countries, and in the United States here, you can pick in all kinds of different cities and towns and things in each state of pretty much the whole United States, and a lot of places even in like Portugal and Spain and Korea, Japan, Belgium, and so on and so forth. So, for example, to show you that people are using this site with ClickBank products, how about if I choose right here Alabama State, and I pick on Birmingham here, and if I click on that, you can see it loads up all the different sales things that people are offering in Birmingham right now. And you can see all the different categories here on the left as well too, right here, clear down to yard sale and wanted and so on and so forth here. So you can look and see that there are a lot of people that's posting ClickBank products on here right here in Miss Birmingham here. So if I, for example, just to prove to you, if I click on this one right here, BioFit, and it brings this up, we know that this is a ClickBank product. And if I take their link right here, they got a Bitly link, and if I highlight that, right click, and I say go to Bitly, and it opens it up, you'll see that it brings them over to the BioFit product here. And right up here, guys, where my mouse is, you can see that that's a ClickBank product. So people are marketing ClickBank products on this site. Now, but what we're going to do is as I can see that there's a lot of different ClickBank products here that people are using in Birmingham, probably because it's the first one on the list. But how about if we pick one, we're going to pick a town that's a little bit, has a little bit less ClickBank products in it. So, for example, I mean, you can just pick anything you want down through here. It doesn't matter, but I'm just going to grab, how about like I'm going to come to Texas, and I'm going to click on Amarillo, Texas right here. So we can see that there are some people that are posting products here. And if we come down in here and I click over here on the left column, guys, since we're dealing with a health and fitness, and I click on health and beauty here, and you can see that so far there are no health and beauty items here in Amarillo, Texas posted. So we are going to post our article, or our, not article, but our advertisement right here in this slot. And remember, guys, it's the more cities and towns that you post your ClickBank products in, the more opportunity that you're going to have off of this site for sales, okay? So then once you get in there, what we want to do is, you can see we're up here in the address bar. We're at amarillo.bookoo.com. You see it right up there. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on sell stuff right here, guys. You see that? So if we click on that, and then what we're going to do is, now the thing about it is here, guys, is you'll notice that some of these are paid categories, like the services over here. You see landscaping, it costs $3 to post an ad, photography, and so on and so forth down here. And then even down here under housing and real estate, you can see that's $5 to post some of the ads there. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on health and beauty right here, guys. And you can see that it brings up our advertisement fields to fill out here for our advertisement. So guys, I'm not going to bore you with all of this. I already told you what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video for a moment. I'm going to fill this out, and I'll be right back with you, and we'll get our affiliate link, and we will shorten it up in a tiny URL, and then I'll show you how I filled this out, and you'll be able to see the information. So I'll be right back with you here in just a moment. Alrighty guys, as you can see that I've already filled out some of the details here for our advertisement, and I just took off of the email I told you I was going to use. I took this title right here, guys, and then I took this little bit of information that you see highlighted right here, and I brought that over, and of course I pasted the title in here. The price I put at $28, I mean it's $28.76, so I just left it at a straight $28 there. I uploaded the picture. I got the picture off of the sales page, and I copied that image and I downloaded it and I uploaded it here, and then you can see that I put in that information right here as well, and then I typed in right here, it says learn more here, and then over here we're going to come to tiny URL, alrighty, and then we're going to come back to ClickBank. We're going to click right here, guys, like I showed you. We're going to get our affiliate link right here, right? Now you want to make sure that your account nickname or your affiliate nickname is in the box right here. You can put a tracking ID optional if you want. I think I will for this one. I'll just type in Boo Coo. That way I know where the clicks are coming from. Click on Generate Hop Links, and it gives us our ugly long ClickBank link right here. So we're just going to click here to copy it, or you could highlight it too and right click and copy. So we're going to copy that, close that out, come back over to tiny URL here, guys. Paste our link in here, and then we're going to click Make Tiny URL, and it's going to close this out, and it gives us this nice tiny URL link right here, as you can see, guys. And I'm going to copy that to the clipboard. Now, like I always tell you, you want to test those links out. I don't trust all of these link shorteners, so I like to test my links out to make sure that they work, and it does, and it has my account nickname right there in that link. So we're good to go. Alright, so then we're going to bring it back over here, and I'm going to paste it right there where I typed learn more here, right there. And then it wants us to put in an email address so that you can either use your account or email. I'm just going to use email, and I'll just put my email in there, and then it puts in a zip code, and you can use that, or you can put in, if you want, use your name or your phone number, and then after that, guys, it's just a matter of posting the item for sale right here. Click on that, and we'll see if it'll go for us here. It says almost done. It says check your email and click the confirmation link to make your item go live. So we'll come back, and I'll pause this. I'll check my email here, and this thing will go live here in just a moment. Here, I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I went and got my confirmation link that just shows right here on the my email, and I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to confirm that by opening up another tab here. I just copied the link, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that link in there, and that should confirm it. And it says yippee right here. You're ready to go, guys. You see that right there, and as you can see here in a moment, it's going to be live on the site, and you can see that there is our link right there, and somebody will just have to copy that and then just right click and then say go to it, and that will take them over to our product. You see it's posted in health and beauty. They can actually send a message if they want to my email address, and so on and so forth. So you can see that, guys, that's how easy that was. All you want to do is do this many times in many cities, guys. Pick the states and the cities, or the countries and the towns in those countries, guys, and the more ClickBank products you post, the more opportunity you're going to have to make money. Okay, it's just that easy. It's a volume game. Don't just post 2 or 3 and then come back and tell me, well, Kevin, I posted 2 or 3 and it didn't work. Nah, you're going to post about 50 to 100 ClickBank products in this site and around the country and around the world. and then come back later and tell me if you've made any sales. Alrighty, well guys, that's the method I had for you today. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and just come over and take advantage of that, and you and continue to post your ClickBank or Digistore 24 or whatever affiliate products you want, and then you should begin to be able to make some money with this over a little bit of period of time. Alrighty, well guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. Also, if you got any comments about this particular method, you leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free affiliate marketing high-ticket video presentation so that you can learn how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands of dollars in one day's possibility, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, and then come over and watch my free video presentation that will teach you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.